So question and answers. Someone is asking, is it possible to change bank accounts because it's no longer funded? Yes, you can change bank accounts if it's not funded. Just change your card. Just change the card or get your account funded all the way to the end. There's a feature that is being added this week. It's a feature for you to just transfer your Naira directly into the BitNob account. And then from that account, you have transferred your money into, you can begin to do your daily cost averaging from that account. And you can do your daily cost averaging from the account you've already transferred the cash into, so that it's not taken from your bank every day, because some banks fail. And when those banks fail, it doesn't get to happen. Okay, someone is already using it. Excellent. Where's the best place to buy? And do you need a wallet? You can basically just do Naira. You can just do Naira directly from your Naira account. They'll change it for you. The rates in the Bitcoin space is a bit higher when you want to buy. It's also a little bit higher when you want to sell as well. Not as high as when you want to buy, but at least if it gains in value, you know that you have value stored up there like that. Now, this is your money and your wallet. So don't, do your own research. This is just, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not, asking you to invest any money in anything. This is a caveat that everybody who is in this space must say every time they're doing anything in this space. So nobody is marketing you to go and invest your money. This is your money. This is your assets. And this is, how long you can wait. How your hand feels when it's going high. How you feel when it's going low. So do your own research and, definitely go involved in things because you have decided that you want to do so. But this platform offers you the opportunity to be able to do that, and do it well, and do it in small amounts if you want to. So someone is asking, is it possible to buy at will even when I have a standing order plan? Yes, even though you have a standing order plan, if you want to still buy more, you can. You can buy bulk and say, I want to keep bulk here. Even if I want to buy more, you can do that. You can always do that. Thank you, Joshua Adeleke, for your question. Somebody is saying here, what is the name of a site for the plan? The name of the site is the app is BitNob. Go to Android Store, Play Store, you find it there. And basically just use it for yourself. As long as a very good initiative, is pound sterling acceptable? Currently not. So currently, it's currently launching in Nigeria. So you basically, from Nigeria, you can Naira to USD. And then for Bitcoin, we're planning to open other countries as we progress. There's a voucher system that allows an agent to begin to be the one who disburses in various countries, but it's Naira for now. And dollars. Thanks, Dave, for the training. Can I do a 10-year plan? The plans there now are 12 months plan, but as soon as the plan ends, you can start another plan and can keep on building. You can take out the money you have in that plan and put it inside your Bitcoin account and keep it there as well. But the plans right now allow you to do 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. But that's a good question. Possibly it's extendable. Please, I'm answering questions on the question and answers place. So if you're asking other questions by the side that is not in the question and answer place, I may miss it. Okay. What is the name of the site for the plan? I think I've answered that question. Just go to Android or go to Play Store and download the app there. Exciting. Okay, I can see. Someone's asking, can you just buy occasionally without having a plan? Yes, you can. Is this for Bitcoin or only, or can you buy other coins? For now, it's Bitcoin only. Other coins will join in the days to come. What is the Naira exchange rate? Does the exchange rate daily, or is it fixed for a period? It changes daily as the market changes as well. What are the fees charged by the platform? The fees charged by the platform is about 1.5% on transactions made. This is less than other players in the market, about 1.5%. How do you withdraw funds? Is you withdraw USD or Naira? Currently, funds are taken in Naira and they're also withdrawn in Naira or in Bitcoin. You can withdraw Bitcoin or you can withdraw Naira. The choice is yours. So if you are withdrawing Naira, Bitcoin, you can say that's USD. Or in Nigeria, you can withdraw Naira. We're working on the possibility of being able to withdraw in other countries with different currencies. That will take a little while as well. Does it mean the same account I can have as many plans as possible? Yes, you can have 50 plans if you want on the same account. Okay, on the same account, you can have as many plans as you want. How sure are we this company won't fold up? Do they hold our Bitcoin, or who holds the Bitcoin? If you want to be a Bitcoin millionaire, how do you achieve that with BitNob versus trading crypto personally? Okay, so in the crypto space, you have various wallets. Okay, so you have a wallet called Blockchain, you have a wallet called Bread, you have wallets called, on my phone today as I speak to you, I have nothing less than 12 different wallets. What wallets offer is custodian services. They have a system that ensures that there is a there's a custodian system that ensures that board of directors, advisors, members of board in the company all have a access to the tokens. No one person has access to tokens. You have what you call a multi-signature wallet. So it's the same thing with banks. It's like saying I put my money in GT Bank. What's the guarantee that I can put 1 billion in GT Bank and the money will still be there? That's where regulation comes in. That's where you know, all the key operations that ensures that financial services company don't go bust are in place to ensure that people's funds are secured. So this is also working, of course, funds collection and all that. There are partnerships that ensures that proper licenses are in place to ensure that your money can be kept and you don't have to be afraid of it. Now, in trading, even if you are trading, let's say you're trading in Binance or you're trading with Bittrex or you're trading with Liquid or you're trading with Coinex or you're trading with KuCoin or you're trading with, I have like 15, 20 different places that I can do trading on and I've done trading with in the past. They all have wallets. They are all privately owned. The confidence with which you go there to trade is also because you believe and that you have trust in the system. So there's no way you're going to go and you're going to escape from, I have it on my own. You probably have it on MetaMask. If it's Ethereum, you have it on blockchain. If you ever want to venture into trading, be it with any company or the other, you will be putting it in their wallet, and they must have those systems in place as well to ensure that you can have confidence in them. You start small and then you grow it big. That's how it works as well. What if you want to use pounds? Convert it to Bitcoin, convert it to Naira, convert it to Bitcoin, buy the Bitcoin and then have it there. Somebody's saying, so you are saying if I'm to do this well, I can save weekly, monthly without minding if Bitcoin price is high or down from your DCA explanation. Yes, very correct. Very, very correct. What happens to my balance on BitNob when BTC value drops? Your balance follows it as well. If your balance is in BTC, your balance will follow BTC. If your balance is in dollars, if you have withdrawn your BTC to dollars, then your balance will be in dollars. BTC value will not affect it. But if it's in Bitcoin, it will rise and fall whatever happens with Bitcoin. Someone is asking the wallet or site name. BitNob on Android and Play Store, not website. Should I wait till the price comes down a bit or should I buy now? Okay, this is questions for financial advisors and none of us plays that role. There are speculations and I think you should read and be knowledgeable. There are speculations in the market that says the price for this year to look out for is this value. Some people are speculating that it will get to $400,000. Some people are speculating that it will correct when it gets to $40,000. Many people are saying different things. Do your own research, okay, and be persuaded. For me, what I put within this market space, I'm thinking long term. I have tokens that I bought 3 years ago that are currently worth nothing. Okay, I take it as my lesson school fees. I was learning about ICOs. I met MDs of nothing less than 20 different companies. I traveled to New York. I was in New York for the blockchain conference. I was in Dubai for conference. I was in UK for conference. I did ICOs. I got burnt in ICOs. I burnt a few friends as well. But guess what? The tokens are there. I still have access to the MDs. Some of them are in jail, the ones that their tokens messed up badly and they didn't have anything to be able to defend themselves with. And no one person particularly that is in jail. I know others who are like working on it. They have project milestones that they want to create. I know the ones that have, that are doing well and doing awesome. So essentially, do your own research. Decide where you want to buy. For me, it's long term. So I'm thinking I have resources here. I'm not going to put my business money inside it. I'm going to put money that I can part with, money that is for savings, money that can be needed in 10 years. And when I hear that Ethereum is $40,000 and I have one Ethereum and maybe I paid $900 to buy it, so I bought gradually and it amounted to 2 Ethereum, I will be excited because I now have money at that time to be able to do the things that I planned that I wanted to do with it. Okay, someone's asking, I've been longing to download the app, but I can't do it on my phone. Is there another method I can use it to do it? There will be a web portal somewhere in the future. I think the company is working on something like that, but there are phones that need to be upgraded to be able to work with it. So I want to encourage you, if it's not happening on your phone, maybe it's time to upgrade. Yeah, so you can upgrade the phone and then it probably will work with the upgraded phone. I installed and signed up earlier today without the referral code. Can I enter the referral code now? Yes, you can. You can enter the referral code now. Is it available in the UK? Yes, you can download it in the UK, but we are not live in the UK yet. So you can download it and hold on. And if you have money in Naira, you can play with Naira. For the UK, we have a voucher system that we intend to launch in the future. So I can just get in and get, and hold on for us, put in your address, let's know where you're from, so that on the day when it gets live in that area, you'll be the first to know. How does one start? Just go to Android or Play Store and download the app. Simple and straightforward. What's the name of the app? BitNob. BitNob Technologies. Only Nigeria and some selected mobile numbers are available. I'm sure somebody's wondering, is it possible in Dubai as well? We'll get there. Thank you for the information. It's saying that my email address is already registered. But when I put my email address and put forgot password, it says an error code. I think I registered some months ago, but I can't enter now. Please, what can I do? There's a customer desk there that you can just chat with and say, this is challenge I'm facing. Let them maybe check it and see what they can do. But what you can do is do forgot password. That password should be sent to your phone, I think, or to your email. So you can check your phone or your email and find out how you can get involved in that. Okay, so that's something you can do. Is BitNob linked to Empower 4? Can I invest to be moved to? No, it's not linked. It's not linked. There was an option we're trying to do to see if we can create some link, but we didn't want to create complexity. Okay, but there's something we're working on to see if people can withdraw and get value. From what they have. What we have is currently low value in Empower 4, but it's a time game. If we wait patiently, phenomenal things can happen in that space as well. But they're not linked together; they're completely separate. How do I start? I came in late. Download the app. Okay, download the app. And then, for some of our platforms, we'll share the video so they can watch it. Or you can hit somebody up here later to see if I can get access to the video so I can watch it here. Sorry, I just joined. What's the platform called? BitNob. BitNob, go to Android or Play Store and sign up. It's free. It's free. It's not a network marketing company. It's not, you just get referral points for referring people. It's a way to create another asset class for yourself and do it intelligently. What do I stand to gain saving money on a monthly basis? Does the plunge affect my contribution if it happens? Yes, it does. I've shown you mine. I think I showed you mine. So this is mine. The market is going up. For the last 6 months, it's been a good ride. Okay, it's been a good ride for the last 6 months. I cannot guarantee that it will be like that all the time. Okay, but it's been a good ride, and because it's been a good ride, there's what. So if I come here and I click on my BitNob, you'll see what it has been, based on how the market has been. So if the market begins to plunge, it will reduce. I have screenshots. I have screenshots of when it was less. I have different screenshots. I was taking the market as it was going. If I can show you what my old screenshots look like, I have places where I screenshotted. Okay, so I had places where it was 131%. Okay, so that was still it. I have screenshots of the time longer ago than that, where it was still less as well. So um so yes, if the market plunges, you plunge with it. It's not so at this point it was 39%. So at some point it was 39%. It was $18,000 at that time. So basically responds to the way the market is, essentially. Yes, there's nobody promising anybody anything. This is you taking on responsibility for your own finances yourself, but in a way that is easy for you to do. I think we'll take a few more questions and that will be it. I downloaded the app without inputting your code. So what do I do since I need to be invited by someone? If you downloaded it, you don't need the code until you are signing up. So when you're signing up, you can put the code of the person that referred you, and then you can enter the code. Okay, you don't need the code to download it. It's just when you want to sign up that you need the code. You want it to convert the dollar saved to Bitcoin, or will it be saved to Bitcoin automatically? It will take Naira from your account, convert it to Bitcoin automatically if you choose the Bitcoin option. Automatically. Okay. Adeshola O is asking, sorry. The 1.5% fees charged on both buying and selling, or just buying? Is a transaction fee, so it's for buying. When you're selling, yeah, you'll be charged when you're selling as well. So hopefully I'll make profit before you sell. I think when you're selling, you're not charged. It's just, it's just rates. But when you're doing transactions, when you're buying Bitcoin, when you're moving it to Naira, is in the interface gates and the 1.5% is charged. I think that's correct. If that's not absolutely correct, somebody can give me a thumbs up on an answer there so that I can add that. If I move my money from my DOM account, can I get paid in USD too? Now, so the monies cannot be taken from the USD account right now, but when that becomes possible, they can pay the USD as well. Do you provide any personal guarantee for the integrity of the platform? Do I provide? I'm providing. Okay, because I'm also involved in ensuring that the custodial structure is set up properly, involving board members, board of advisors, and a few key people to ensure that it is secure and safe. Uh, so I'm involved. I'm involved that way. How can I start, sir? And what's the Naira value of registration? Free. Registration is free. Just sign up the app and connect your card and determine if you want to save $1 per day or $10 or $2. You can begin to do it. Is BTC available in the UK? There's BTC in the UK. There's BTC everywhere in the world. Is it only based in Nigeria? In Ghana? We're kicking off Ghana first quarter of this year. So my Chan Ghana will come live. Maybe you'll be one of the first people to push us on in Ghana. Is this different from blockchain, Luno, Passful? Yes, it's different. The difference here is the exciting feature for DCA and the fact that this is an infrastructure play that allows us to be able to create and connect this for people who want to have this service, custodial service, e-commerce, receive payments in Bitcoin, pay people in Bitcoin, save Bitcoin. You can offer this value to others as well. BitNob. I am to do this from Ghana. What's the way around it? So Ghana will be live soon. We've gotten registered on some key parameters in Ghana. So Ghana will be able to be onboarded this first quarter. So if you're in Ghana, wait for it. Ghana is almost ready. Ghana is ready as I speak. I've been trying to download, but I can't. Is there another method to have the app? There are some phones that are off the limit, but what you can do is maybe you can find a way to chat with the admin. I don't know how you can do that. You can chat with admin and get that going. That's probably a way to start. Start buying. If it flies, you regret. Somebody's advising, I think DYOR, do your own research. No card in the app. Yeah, no Canadian dollars currently. It's taking it in Naira to USD to Bitcoin values immediately. Okay, there's still so many questions and not so much time. I think it'd be a good time to wrap this up right now. I want to thank everybody who came here today. Let me see if I can rush through a few more things in 5 minutes, and then we can go. The name of the app, please. BitNob. BitNob. Bitcoin savings of dollars, USDC. Which should I go for? The only option that is available and open now is Bitcoin savings. USDC will be live later. BTC savings is what is live now. Can Bitcoin disappear in my wallet? No, it cannot disappear. It can go higher, it can go lower, it won't disappear. Spell it BITNOB. BITNOB. You can check the comment section. It's within there. BitNob. BITNOB. What's this amount one can start with? $1. You can start with $1. I don't understand withdrawal in BTC thing. Do you withdraw your investment in BTC but still value based on current value of BTC? Doesn't this imply you're still invested in BTC? Yes, some people like to withdraw their BTC and have it in another wallet. So BitNob has a wallet. You have a wallet in BitNob, just like every trading exchange also have their wallets. So if you withdraw in BTC, it means you are withdrawing to take somewhere else where maybe they can exchange it for you into pounds, where maybe they can give it to you in Canadian dollars, maybe where you can, take it through another channel to get the money in the currency of your choice. You can withdraw to BTC into another wallet to help you do that. Somebody's asking, I've been holding BTC since September. Should I keep holding? I shared with you my own strategy. If you want to follow my strategy, it's a long hold. Already downloaded the app and put in referral code since you informed us. Been waiting for the next actions. What's the minimum value I can start with? $1, $10, $100. You can just set the parameter you like, and then you can kick off with it. I started with, so usually what I want to do is when the market looks like it's high, I can start smaller. When the market is going low, I can try and do a bigger plan or do a bigger deposit. But start what you'll not be angry if anything goes wrong. And when I say anything go wrong, globally, But if you look at the trend over the last few years, it's gone like this, some resistance, gone like this, some resistance. And the way the world is structured now, it probably will still go higher. It will go higher. It will go higher still. I couldn't get it up OTP to begin to make plan for plan. I've tried several. What can I do? Chat with customer service. Chat with somebody there. Somebody will guide you. Somebody will help you. Okay. Somebody will guide. What happens if I miss any of the auto transfers? Yes, that happens. Some banks fail. So the best option is, you know, do a bank transfer. Let's say of like 100,000 naira, and tell them be taking it $2 per day. That's 1,000 naira. That will last for 100 days and it will be dollar cost averaging. So you can move money there. That feature will be live this week, so you can enjoy that as well. I set up a plan some days ago, but up till now my account has not been credited. Error reports is unfortunate. We couldn't charge your account. What can I do? Boss, there's a customer service folder there. Chat up with the person with customer service and say this is the challenge I'm facing. Maybe it's GT Bank, and I don't mean any pun, but GT Bank has sometimes they have those challenges. Check if the account is funded in naira, not in dollars. Check the account is funded, and then check with your bank. Maybe you need to authorize your bank to say, I'm expecting some debits to hit my accounts. Maybe they're the ones blocking it. How long has this been on for? This is been in beta phase for about 6 months. It's been better for about 6 months. I have been doing this for about 6 months as well. It's about to go full blast. This is the first real meeting about this that is being had. This is kicking off 2021. So we expect you to get on board, get your friends on board, begin to rack your points. At some point at the end of this month, we'll see who has the highest number of points. So points become valuable as we progress. How much is in naira? $1 in naira about 490, 96 or thereabout now. It's a fantastic platform. Please introduce USD withdrawal as soon as possible. Yes, Mr. Adishola, we will. And lastly, I'm new in Bitcoin purchase, though at the very low amount. I want to ask if I've taken the right step. DYOR, do your own research. But I tell people, what's there to lose? Yeah, what's there to lose? Somebody bossed me a few days ago. I think she's here. She said, remember something we did 3 years ago? He told us to withdraw our money, that this thing may not be there again. That time I withdrew about $60, and I just checked it again for the first time, and I realized it's about $280 now. And I smiled. I said, you know what? Yeah, it's gained value. It does gain value like that. So don't put your retirement benefits inside. Don't put the money for your business inside. Don't put your children's school fees that you want to use to pay school fees next week inside. Have a plan based on something that is long term in the future that allows you to gradually able to spend what will not mess you up, and then continue to build. Rome was not built in a day. Some people try to build in a day. It backfires. Okay. I hope you've had a good time. Okay, somebody says I've been enjoying it since around June when you mentioned about it. So yes, one of the problems I have is whenever I like something, I don't know how to keep quiet and enjoy it alone. I always want to share. I don't know if that's a good thing, but that's usually the case with me. So I'm happy that we're here. Unfortunately, I didn't save the question and answer session. So it's one done and gone forever. I thought I had it recorded, but it wasn't. But I guess we all had the answers. It was fun having you all around. See you again next week, Tuesday, when we share more and more about this. Thank you very much, everyone. It's been my pleasure sharing this with you. I hope you've had a blessed time. I hope you've learned a lot. I hope you'll be joining us again next week when we share about this. Let's feel some love from you. Let's go to the account, BitNob. Let's download the app. Let's know that there was something that happened today. Let's download the app, share with 10 friends, share with 20 friends. Let's see 1,000 downloads in the next few hours, and let's know that it happened today. And then, like I said, nobody's investing for you. Nobody's telling you what to do. You can just do gradually at your pace, allow the resource to grow. I want to have a company of friends that are millionaires in dollars. This is my desire. This is my delight. Sometimes I go overboard, and when it backfires on all of us. But this one looks beautiful because everybody takes personal responsibility and personal decision for their actions, and then gradually they can grow it and build it. And like I said, do your business, do your work, put a little there, grow that portfolio gradually. Don't be too greedy. Don't say, I can see 172% on somebody's account. Let me go and get 10 million and put it inside. We don't know the direction that the market is going. Everybody says Bitcoin will get to 400,000, 100,000. People are projecting amazing numbers. And it makes sense. The whole capitalization of the market is still under about $600 billion. There are companies, just one company, that are doing $2 trillion valuation. So if one company is doing 2 trillion and the whole of the digital currency space is still less than $1 trillion, there's a lot of room to grow. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to be among the first of people who are kicking this off and launching this. Looking forward to seeing you on board. I was thinking,